everyone, welcome to this channel. Wish joyful in your life and may you're always in good health. Before you watching this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Hope you have a great time enjoying my video. Once upon a time, deep down inside Jenggala Forest, there lived an elephant named Dirada. He's big and strong. We didn't know about him. He's famous in Jenggala Forest, but he had bad reputation. He was arrogant and selfish. He declared that he is the most powerful animal in Jenggala. Thus, he walked around the forest every day to show off his power. He knocked down the trees and challenged every single animal in Jenggala, even the feral beasts like tigers, foxes, and wolves. As he could defeat those feral beasts, Dirada was haughtier. One day, he heard about a beautiful valley that was begun to be the animals' favorite place to gather. On the valley, there was bountiful supply of fresh food. The greenery also the waterfall. There is a lake in the middle of the valley. Dirada desired to dominate the place, not only because he wanted the place for himself, but also didn't want his fame got surpassed with others, even it's just a place. Hence, he came to the valley to chase other animals away. In the process, he was accidentally stepping on a lair of ants. Kirita, the present queen of ants, came out from her lair. She called Dirada that was busy in chasing others from the place. At first, Dirada didn't aware of her presence until Kirita could climb the tree and she could eye in eye with Dirada.
Hey, big guy! Oh, wait, I'm here. Can you see me?
Kirita said informally after several failed trials.
Who are you? What business do you have with me?
Dirada looked down on the queen.
I'm the queen of the ants. You seem accidentally crashed on our lair. Please, watch your step.
The queen? You're such a tiny girl. What should I believe in your words?
We're the ants. Of course, we're very small compared to you. If you care to your surroundings, there are various creatures with their own measurement. Besides, nobody owns this valley. All of us should share with others. So, could you please to watch your steps next time?
He replied, still impatient and politely.
None of my business.
He said haughtily.
Only the strongest is deserved to dominate this place. And it's me, the strongest creature of this forest.
Are you not afraid that Lion, the king of this forest, will punish you to say so? Kirita warned him.
Lion? The king of the forest? Where?
Dirada mocked Kirita and sneered.
He was long lost from this forest. And now, I am the king of this forest.
Hey, big guy! Don't get cocky just because of your strength, and the king is absent. Moreover, don't you ever hear there is still another sky above the sky? There always someone stronger than you. I'm also the queen. I believe I'm stronger than you.
Kirita reminded as she endured her temper.
Seriously? You? Small thing like you can defeat me?
He laughed and ridiculed Kirita.
If you don't believe me, why don't we have a match?
Not waiting for Dirada's answer, she continued.
Tomorrow, on this place, you and me, each of us gets one chance to hurt the other and is allowed to use any method to do it. All inhabitants on this forest will be the spectator, and they will be the witnesses who is stronger between us.
What? You dare to challenge me? Can't you see our gap? You're definitely lost.
Dirada said in disbelief.
Ah, I see. You're afraid.
Kirita smirked.
Fine. You're to your own grave. I accept your challenge.
Dirada said annoyedly, leaving Kirita that was smirking. The news of their match spread quickly, and the valley was crowded since morning. The ants also attended to support their queen.
Hey, you! This is your last chance. Better to surrender than sorry.
Kirita started to speak.
Don't worry, I'm ready. You can start anytime you want. Just be my guest.
Kirita said confidently. Provoked with her way of speech, Dirada stepped on Kirita. Swiftly, Kirita sank into the soil where he stepped before. Then, while Dirada was stomping his feet and trying to look for Kirita, he stayed hidden in between cracks on his footpath before she could find chance to climb up. With great agility, Kirita climbed up on Dirada's body and entered one of his ears, then hit him.
Please stop! Please forgive me! Alright, you won! I surrender! Please stop!
Dirada implored over and over until Kirita stopped fighting and got out from his ear. Staggering, Dirada tried to keep his balance. The pain was unbearable, but he tried his best to not cry out loud. Meanwhile, Kirita stepped forward and proclaimed,
Everybody, you hurt yourselves. Herbie, I announce, I'm stronger than this big guy.
Applauses and frantic cheers were heard here and there. Since then, Dirada didn't dare to brag about his strength, while the peaceful came once again to Jenggala Forest. That's the story for today. Please like and share if you like this video. Your comment is valuable for improving my videos. Thanks and have a nice day.